Got a PVO file from a Pro Tools session? This is a voice file used in Avid Pro Tools audio production workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these Pro Tools voice files in your audio projects. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PVO data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. PVO files are voice files associated with Avid Pro Tools, the industry-standard digital audio workstation used in music production, post-production, and broadcast. They store voice track data within Pro Tools session structures, supporting professional audio recording, editing, and mixing workflows for studios worldwide. PVO files use Avid's proprietary format, integrating with Pro Tools session architecture, storing audio voice data, along with track configuration, automation, and routing information. The format works in conjunction with Pro Tools session files, preserving voice allocation settings, critical for the DAW's track playback and recording engine. Optimal handling of the PVO format is achieved using Avid Pro Tools by Avid Technology. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers limited audio control, so thorough editing relies on specialized programs. Your first move is key. Right-click the PVO file and select Open With. Test with Avid Pro Tools if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If the PVO file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, opening in Pro Tools. Install Avid Pro Tools and open the parent session file containing references to PVO data. Pro Tools loads the voice files automatically as part of the session. Ensure all session components remain together in the original folder structure for proper session loading and voice file recognition. Next, maintaining session integrity. Pro Tools sessions depend on file structure with PVO and other component files in specific folder relationships. When transferring sessions between systems, use Pro Tools Save Copy in feature to consolidate all session files, including PVOs, ensuring completeness for recipient users opening the session. Finally, exporting to standard formats for sharing audio outside Pro Tools workflows. Export track audio to WAV or AIFF format using File Then Bounce To. This creates standalone audio files independent of the Pro Tools session architecture, enabling playback and editing in any audio software without requiring Pro Tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.